Shall I drop some?
Yeah, here.
Here, huh?
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Wow, look at it. Hello. Why are you guys standing here? Huh? Alright, today is the event where Bon Estates are gonna start the Bon experience. Alright, tonight is the dinner where they're gonna inaugurate the Bon experience. What is the Bon experience? Bon Estate is a developer, okay, and they produce boutique, beautiful, high quality developments. Alright, and so they do curated experiences for their customers, and those who have purchased Bon Estate would know in Bangsar, and this round for Bon Kiara in Bon Kiara, those who have purchased would also experience the Bon experience, what they call the Bon experience. So instead of just selling you a property and there it is, right? Hands off after 2 years, what Bon Estate wanted to do is to create a curated experience for their community of buyers, of residents who stay in their projects. So as you can see, partnering with Auto Bavaria today, all the EV models, the i5, iX and i7. Why? Because Bon Kiara is the first development in Bon Kiara where every single owner can embrace the EV lifestyle. They can get ready for the EV lifestyle because this project, Bon Kiara in Bon Kiara, every single unit's parking lot, of course each unit gets 2 parking lot, right? Every single 2 parking lot is equipped and ready for them to purchase and install their own EV chargers. Look at this. This is a modern development with facilities and everything, and it's the first condo where the owners can embrace the full EV lifestyle. Alright, these are the themes of the project. This is how the ID looks like. Okay, and every single owner can purchase their EV cars and charge them daily at home and use them all the time and fully experience the EV lifestyle. So that's Bon Kiara, and this is the project over here. Hello. Alright, so yep, this is the start of the Bon experience, and later on everybody will come in and we'll go through the nice activities with all of you. And so I've did a video of this, and of course can let you go through it once more. That's the entrance. Alright, both units have this facing, and this entire piece of land wasn't used for further unit developments, you know. They turned this whole place into a lovely place for living, right? The clubhouse, the pool, and of course the garden. Alright, now before the guests come here, I'm just gonna sneak upstairs to give you all a look. Alright, you have Type C, 2,800 square foot, very big, 4-bedroom, 5+1 bathroom, 3 parking bays. Type D, 3,075 square feet. Okay, Type B, 2,558 square feet. You can notice all of them are for multi-generational living. Why? 4+1 bedroom, 5+1 bathroom, 3 car park bays. Type A, 2,081 square foot, 3+1 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 2 parking bay, and of course these are huge. Right, these are the Sky Villas, 4,474 square feet, 5+1 bedroom, 6+1 bathroom, 6 parking bays, 6 parking bays. And this is Sky Villa Type 1, 5,115 square feet, 5+1 bedroom, 6+1 bathroom, and 6 parking bays as well. So previously when I was here, this model wasn't available. So now I want to have a good look at it. Okay, so this is obviously the foyer. That's the entrance as we come in, and then we can see that's the living area. the living area with the lanai. Lanai is like a balcony, but not a balcony. Okay, and yeah, it's like a, I don't know, you call it what, dry balcony or something. All right, basically the windows open, but it's full glass for the view, but you don't have to deal with the dust and all that. All right, it is essentially indoors. Okay, that's the lanai. And then over here we have an entrance to the master bedroom. Okay, and then the master bedroom over here would be the his and hers. Okay, left and right. And then as you walk in, that's the bathtub, full view outside, and the toilet. Alright, and over here there's a walkway where you can come in here to bedroom 5 with its own attached bath. And then further in would be bedroom 4 and bedroom 3, all with their own ensuite bath. If you notice, bedroom 3, the toilet, full sunlight, a lot of sunlight. Every unit has their own really good light sources. This is the smaller room, but then with their own ensuite bath as well. And then bedroom 5 with its own ensuite bath. Okay, bedroom 2 with its own ensuite bath. And then over here there's a walkway which you have the powder room for the guests. Okay, and then that's the glass area for the full view outside. And then here is the living and dining as well, again with full view. And then in here you have the wet kitchen, the yard, and the utility room, and the little toilet over there. And then here's the dry kitchen. Alright, this is the 4,474 square feet unit, and this one is even larger than that. This is the 5,115. As you look at this, that's the entrance. You go in, they call it a gallery now after the foyer, right? Because you have more space anyway. And look at the living and dining, is fantastic. It's fully attached. Okay, and then you can see from the layout, it is essentially 2 units combined into one. All right, and here the master bedroom is huge as well. There's a master bath. Okay, and then here you have bedroom 2 with the attached bathroom, bedroom 3 attached bathroom, the powder room, and then there's a store. Okay, which you can enter via the foyer, so you can put your baby prams, your golf bags and all that right here, even your bicycle. Okay, you can put it over here, very useful. And here dining opposite will be the dry kitchen, and then there's the wet kitchen inside, there's the yard, then there's the utility room or the maid's room, and then the bath. And then here is bedroom 4 with its attached bath, bedroom 5 with its attached bath, and another common area. So nice. Okay, so this is huge. So these 2 are new, I've never seen that, and they have 6 car park bays. And that's the location of how this unit. Alright, and then this one is right adjacent here. Wonderful. Both different views. Okay, let's go upstairs where we can have a look again. So I've done the video of this project quite a few rounds. Here you can see the Oasis Lounge, the Pavilion, the Social House, Central Park, Resort Lobby, Grand Entrance. Alright, let's go up and have a look. Yeah, their projects are award-winning. Okay, that's the previous project called the Estate. I've also videoed the project. You can go to my channel and have a look at it. Okay, I was so impressed by it. And so they even opened up a road to connect Bon Kiara. So this is the main street in Bon Kiara. Alright, this is Jalan Kiara 3. They opened it up to connect here. That's Bon Kiara for you. Let's go up and have a look. Alright, the gallery. Okay, just got up from the lift, but this is where the balcony is. So, to give you a proper perspective, I should continue from there, which is the entrance. Alright, this is the main door. First thing, look at the size of this door. Rarely you have condos with entrance that are of this size. Usually it's landed property, semi-D and above will have the size of such a door. Okay, and this is the foyer. These are 2x2 tiles, huge. And these are the cupboards that you can put your shoe racks and all that. And this is your foyer before you enter your unit, all right, via the electric door. And as you come in, just take a moment and look at the space. Look at the distance from here to what was the balcony over there. Okay, and then as you make a turn, the visual impact that you see, you usually only get this type of space in big landed properties. Okay, that's an island, that's the dry kitchen, that's the wet kitchen. I shall go there later. Now take a look at this. Okay, to watch the full detail of this project, you can head on to the link below that I attach. Okay,